कि May 6th 2005 को क्या को लगी थी first part, and it's exactly 20 years later now. It's I think it's all in God's hand. The timing of things is all in God's hand, and I feel very मतलब कि I feel lucky that I got a chance to work with him. You know, again, that is my saubhagya, and again, that's in God's hands. It's not in our hands. We can only do our best, and the right projects come to you at the right time, and this is definitely a right project for me. So a lot of anecdotes. I mean, we've done the first trailer screening of Kya Cool also in this property, and it was called something else earlier. It was called Fun Republic earlier. Now it's Cinepolis, but we've done it here. And बाजू में हमारा ऑफिस है बालाजी का, तो वहाँ कितना बैठा करते थे हम, और कितनी यादें हैं. And marketing, I think that set trends where marketing is concerned also. That movie, I think we tie-ups हुए थे, पहली बार हम serials में गए थे. And so lots and lots of memories with the entire team, and just feel very emotional right now. And it's again in God's hands today that we are able to see such a wonderful movie coming out so soon on the 23rd of May. A very good month. It's a very good period also, and very lucky for me. I've had, मुझे कुछ कहना है, 25th of May, shoot out at Lokhandwala 25th of May, and Kya Cool हम 6th of May. So May is a lucky month for me. So that's it.
May is lucky for me too.
Hello, my question is for Siddhi. I want to ask, sorry. I want to ask that what's that one behind the scene moment that you enjoyed the most?
I think most of us were shooting for about say 40-45 days, and we were shooting in this place called Faridabad. So first of all, outdoor shoots जो होती है वो सबसे ज़्यादा fun time होता है, because as a team आप एक साथ मिलते हो, एक साथ खाते हो, पीते हो, काम करते हो, so you end up becoming really good friends with everybody. So I feel instead of just saying one particular moment, I'd say that the whole shoot was the best experience. जब भी हमें थोड़ा टाइम मिलता था हम दिल्ली निकल जाते थे, दिल्ली में जाके शॉपिंग करके वापस आ जाते थे. Then
शादी में गए थे.
Yeah, we crashed the wedding. हमने I don't know ये मतलब बोलना चाहिए.
You can just get arrested later.
नहीं तो नहीं बोल रही. But basically बहुत मजा किया है. Night shoots में I think तुषार sir doesn't like it, but I love night shoots because it's so much fun. And ठंडी थी वहाँ पे, so we used to all sit, and वहाँ पे वो bonfire type होता था, सब आजू बाजू बैठ के we used to sing songs. I think there was a cricket match going on that time. World Cup was going on. So in between the takes हम सब बैठते थे कि सबके मतलब 5 लोगों के फोन लगे हुए हैं, and सब देख रहे हैं अरे क्या हुआ, कोहली आउट हुआ, रोहित शर्मा आउट हुआ. So I think all in all, I think it was the best experience so far. So yeah.
Also enjoyed the trailer and can't wait for the movie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, we have hands there.
Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Bharat. I am from Update Now. I just wanted to ask Sonia.
Yes.
As a female lead in a horror comedy, what did you bring to your character that brings you stand out?
Honestly, I think Madhu's character is going to be very close to my heart because she was one of the first characters where I felt zero obligation to look good, to have my hair done right, to say the right dialogue. Sangeet sir gave me so much freedom, and I couldn't be more thankful for it.
Zero obligation to say the right dialogue.
No, I mean to look good in any way. Like मैं छोले भटूरे खा रही थी, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी, and I would go on set and he would allow me to improvise a lot and bring out my own voice. So like जैसे कप कपी की चीख होती है, that's my voice that you don't think is mine, but it's mine. But yeah, I think Madhu definitely gave me the ability to just let a lot of walls down in front of a camera, जो बहुत actors or actresses के होते हैं. So yeah. I'm grateful for that.
Yeah, hi, this is Sohail over here from Instant Bollywood. A big congratulations to everyone. Jai, I just wanted to know कि last year ही संगीत जी हमारे बीच नहीं रहे थे, तो ये फिल्म तब तक कंप्लीट हो गई थी या फिर अगर और वो जो न्यूज़ आई थी आप सब लोगों के लिए, it was a very shocking for everyone. तो जस्ट नीडेड टू नो फिल्म कंप्लीट तब तक हो गई थी या फिर क्या कुछ पोर्शन रह गया था, क्या था?
एक्चुअल में ना डबिंग का लास्ट डे था, कुछ दिन से संगीत जी को फीवर रहता था, बट लास्ट डे ऑफ डबिंग वो घर गए, देन ही एडमिटेड. सो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द क्रिएटिव कॉल्स वाज डन, लाइक एडिट हमारा लॉक था, डबिंग हो गया था. सो आफ्टर दैट जस्ट वट एवर विथ डन बाय द एसोसिएट एंड संगीत जी सन, जो उनका कॉल था उसको जस्ट कंप्लीट किया. तो फिल्म ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट थी हमारी, जस्ट उसका प्रोसेस बाकी था.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
हेलो तुषार सर, दिस इज विनय.
Hi Vinay.
अमेजिंग ट्रेलर है, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. आई होप लोगों को ये बहुत पसंद आएगी. पर आप जब एक ऐसी फैमिली से होते हो जहां आपकी फैमिली में काफ़ी बड़े बड़े स्टार हो, जितेंद्र सर की बात करें, एकता मैम की बात करें, ऐसे लोगों से जब आपका नाम जुड़ता हो, आपकी किरदार को भी पहले काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यार मिला. पर एक सवाल आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, एज अ स्टार किड आपके ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं प्रेशर रहता है ऑडियंस की तरफ से?
ऑडियंस की तरफ से तो कभी नहीं रहता है. It audience, I feel they like a movie for what the movie is. They like an actor or an actress for the kind of work that we put in, our hard work, our talent, screen presence, all these things. And they don't compare or judge enough. I think, of course, पहली फिल्म के पहले थोड़े expectations होते हैं, but thereafter you're on your own, and thereafter the work has to do the talking. And I would say the pressure is more on from the media side, of course. Because when we're coming into the film world, then they build a lot of expectations and then we're judged on that barometer. But एक बार आप पर्दे के सामने आ गए, ऑडियंस के सामने, फिर ऑडियंस की ही चलती है. फिर ऑडियंस डिसाइड करती है कि आपको क्या 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 उनका रिस्पॉन्स है, क्या उनका वर्डिक्ट है. And then it's also about how you conduct yourself, how you choose the right projects, where you take your career, your attitude towards your work, and then you're on your own. More or less on your own, for sure.
और सेकंड थिंग, इस लव एक्शन ड्रामा वाले जॉनरा में जिस तरह का माहौल है, उसमें कभी के लिए आपको हाँ कहने के लिए क्या सबसे ज़्यादा मजबूर किया?
माहौल तो बदलते ही रहते हैं. मतलब माहौल का किसी का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं, किस माहौल क्या होने वाला है जब आपकी फिल्म लगेगी. और आई थिंक हॉरर कॉमेडी के लिए लोग तो हमेशा ही रेडी रहते हैं. इंडिया लव्स टू गेट स्केर्ड and India loves to get entertained and laugh. So I think it's the best genre. लेकिन इस फिल्म की एक अलग बात यह है कि सब कहते हैं अपनी फिल्म के बारे में, लेकिन ये genuinely आप ट्रेलर से ही देख सकते हैं कि the characters are very real. The look of the film is very real. They are from this lower middle class background. These boys, including myself, we all part of this very real and very grungy kind of an atmosphere. And in that sense, it's more horror film, which also happens to be a comedy. It's not an intentional horror comedy like we've seen of late कि हाँ ये genre तो horror comedy. इस फिल्म को आप देखेंगे तो आप तो देखेंगे कि situationally comedy हो जाती है, लेकिन by and large the story is about the Ouija board, which is quite scary. So that's why horror comedy.
Fantastic.
नमस्कार एवरीवन, और बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको कपकपी के लिए. आई एम हियर. सो गाइज, वैसे मैं इस मूवी का पार्ट हूँ, बट मुझे आप सबसे जानना है एज ए एक्टर एंड जय सर से भी कि संगीत सर के साथ आपने काम किया ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 महीने 2 महीने जो भी था, तो आपका ऐसा कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा उनके साथ? एक मेमोरीज होती है ना आपकी कि हर डायरेक्टर के साथ, तो उनसे ऐसा नया क्या सीखा? लाइक उन्होंने ऑब्वियसली आपको अपना पार्ट प्ले करने का पूरा मौका दिया कि आप अपनी चीज़ बाहर लेकर आओ, एंड तो आपने उनसे क्या सीखा? तो आप सब अपनी तरफ से कोई एक पॉइंट प्लीज़. Thank you.
I guess I'll start and we go down the line. I think for me, I was thinking about this very recently, and Sangeet sir reminded me of a little mouse on set. I would always look back at the monitor. I have this habit after I do any take, I look straight at the director. And every time I looked at him, I would just see him like sitting behind the monitor with his little giggle. He was one of the sweetest people I knew. Never raised his voice, at least not in front of me. And he would call everybody Mole. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Mole. I did it correctly. But it was very endearing. And I think he was a huge part of why this cast feels like such a family. Like even today when we came, there was so much heart here. We all felt so happy seeing each other. So I know it's heartbreaking that he's not a part of this, right now, but this film has so much of him in it.
I think I'll add one or two more things to what Sonia said. I think for all of us, the stage begins from there. Sangeet sir is with us. And just like this, he has been there like a constant thread throughout the movie. He was the hardest worker in the room. Never have I ever seen him sitting on set. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ ये. Throughout the shoot, he wasn't feeling well. The AQI was around 800 to 1000 on most days, right? Diwali time and everything. He was not feeling well, hardest worker in the room, always standing, always rehearsing with us. मुझे एक बात याद है उनकी कि scene होने से पहले हमेशा with the script he would rehearse with all of us, and that's where all the camaraderie and that's all where the comic timing has come in. So I think those rehearsals and that leeway जो उन्होंने हमको as actors दिया उस समय करने का या improvise करने का, that I think I'll always remember him for that.
Well, I've already said so much about him already, and he's like part of the family because my first comedy film was with him. क्या cool है हम, उसके पहले comedy किया नहीं था, तो जो भी comedy का सीखा है सबसे पहले उन्हीं से सीखा है. And he gave me a role of a lifetime then, and he's given me a role of a lifetime now. So just keeping my fingers crossed and keeping him in our hearts and in our minds. And he's with us today, so we're just doing our best, not just for ourselves, but उनके लिए भी. Thank you.
Since you asked like a memory, तो I would say there used to be times जहाँ पर बैक टू बैक जब सीन्स होते हैं ना, तो ये नहीं हो सकता कि आप सीन के बीच में आप जा सकते हो रूम में, क्योंकि यू हैव टू बी देयर फॉर द नेक्स्ट सीन, नेक्स्ट शॉट. कभी कभी वही एक्सेस में दूसरा भी सीन शूट हो जाता है ना. सो देन व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज, मैं वही मॉनिटर के पीछे, आई होप शांतनु सर माइट बी नोइंग दिस, मैं मॉनिटर के पीछे सो जाता था. गद्दा तो हमारा वही लगा पड़ा था, तो आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप. सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर मैं सो गया था एंड फटाफट आधे घंटे में वापस बुला लिया गया था शूट हुआ. फिर मैं, हमको टाइम मिला, ब्रेक हुआ, फिर आई वेंट टू द रूम एंड आई ओपन माई फोन एंड I saw Sangeet sir sent me a lot of photos of me sleeping in different positions, and you know, he wrote a very sweet message, come back Nanku, कि shot ready है, come back Nanku. So that was one of the sweetest memories कि मतलब even while he was working on the other shots, he had this thing कि इसका थोड़ा you know funky position में सो रहा है तो फोटो निकालता इसी को भेजता हूँ. That you know that cute innocence, वो fun कि हर family की जैसा atmosphere create कर दिया था सर ने. And also I would like to say one more thing, we are all talking about Sangeet sir, but like we say कि एक इंसान के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है. I think I really want you all guys to give a huge round of applause to Sangeet sir's wife, because I'll tell you why. Not only right now but even during the shoot of the film, morning अगर 5 AM का भी call time होगा और रात को 10 PM 11 PM का भी पैकअप टाइम होगा, she was always there with him, right beside, एक chair रहता था, that's for her only. And I think so we should all give her the equal credit, and not only her, his sister Sajna ma'am, and even I am getting emotional. And so yeah, I mean, I think that it is not only teamwork but it is also the whole family work. Shantanu sir and everyone who was so supportive of him, and I think ये उनकी इमोशन है जिसकी वजह से ये फिल्म इतनी अच्छी बनी है. आप एक एक सीन देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा. एंड आई फील संगीत सर यहाँ पर भी है एंड फिल्म के अंदर तो नजर आएंगे ही, क्योंकि उनके जो क्वर्क्स है, जो यू नो वन लाइनर्स है उनके, बहुत वो मुझे आके बोलते थे कि नंकू इसको ना ऐसे कर सकते हैं, ऐसे कर सकते हैं. एंड देन आई वाज थिंकिंग, हाँ यार ये मतलब ही हैज दिस यू नो कमांड ओवर कॉमेडी व्हिच आई थिंक जो बहुत बहुत कम होता है इन स्पॉन्टेनिटी. तो आई थिंक सो दैट्स हाउ आई रिमेंबर संगीत सर, स्पॉन्टेनियस कॉमिक टाइमिंग. सो या
I think, yeah, we all really miss him, and I am hoping that he's there with us, and that the film becomes a massive success, not for any of us, but for him. So thank you.
So I saw him before the day he passed away, and किसी आदमी को आप शायद मीटिंग ब्रीफ इंटरेक्शन में शॉट के पहले बहुत कम जान पाते हो कि वो कितना बड़ा आर्टिस्ट है. आई थिंक उनके जाने के बाद से आई थिंक आई हैव बीन टच विद द राइटर्स एंड जयेश सर, एंड आई एम डिस्कवरिंग सच अ वंडरफुल आर्टिस्ट ही हैज़ बीन. I mean, see the kind of work he has done in vernacular and regional cinema. Yodha, please go and watch Yodha. One of the finest actor, Mohanlal, arrived in the scene because of that. And it was like a film school, literally. No matter, I am from certain drama school and I pose a superiority over I'm certain kind of actor. But to work with him, you got to know the skill and trade of cinema making. That's a genius that has passed away. And I think the seed of creativity he has sown in his family, I think you will see. More power to you guys.
Hello guys, so this is my first ever Hindi film and Sangeet sir is the sole reason why I'm on the stage, because initially this character was a South Indian character who was Malayali, but then my Malayalam is also bad, Hindi is also bad. So because of me, he believed some talent that I have. He made this character a Tamilian who speaks the worst Hindi that you will hear. It's because of him, Saurav, Shantanu, Sid, that I managed to tell my lines. Till the end of the schedule, till the last day I met him, he used to call me by my character's name. Then I wanted to tell him, Abhishek sir, Ravin, that's all. So he was the first to arrive on set, last to leave the set, no matter how bad the pollution was, climate was, weather was, no reasons, he was always there. He was, he might have been serious with the direction team, I don't know, but never once to all of us, he showed the side of anger. He made us all look old. His energy was very, contagious on set. So I really hope, Sangeet sir, wherever you are, we make you proud. I hope you like the final output. Join us on 23rd, we'll watch it together. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, pretty much the same feelings I share, and really, it feels like he's around us. It doesn't feel like he's not around us. And the kind of person he was extremely warm, very nonchalant in his behavior. Never would he come across as a person who's not accessible. Anybody could walk up to him, talk to him, and he had a very strange kind of humor, and his wry humor, and his one-liners were amazing. He would, say something in passing and then won't repeat it, and then say something somewhere else. So, he would just turn a serious situation into a very comical, funny situation. And the best thing was about him, and I think because he as a person was so real, in lack of a better word, that then it was bound to happen that the actors and everybody on set was just like family. Luckily, we were shooting in a house most of the time. And we had the people whose house it was, they were also around. They also became part of the set. Haryanvi people with a South Indian director. And Tau, thik ha, mole, Tau. So it was all great fun, and what a guy. I mean, quite honestly, rarely you find people who are full of matter, but they don't show it at all. And he was one of those rare people, extremely simple. और हिंदी में मतलब उनका घड़ा भरा हुआ था, he wasn't an empty vessel who makes noise. He was a very special person, and a very sad that he's not around us, and an untimely demise. But his work is here with us and will all forever and ever be. So yeah, wonderful memories with sir. Thank you.
He was, as a human, gem, as a creative person, to be honest, creative genius, and he only talk is film. No any other talk. So that was he, and as a human, I really missed, because during, it was privilege to work with him like one and a half year during the making of this film. So we're really missing him, and we planned already to make more movies together, but unfortunately he's not there.
Yes.